Where are we about to eat at?
I saw that and I was like, let me read past that.
Yeah.
Bang bang shrimp. Okay.
Like my boyfriend doesn't like seafood and he'll eat the bang bang shrimp.
Okay. We love that. What are you thinking?
I'm like thinking about this.
Okay.
And the cheese curds, they are made with Wisconsin cheese too.
Okay. So I'm thinking about getting the bang bang shrimp.
Okay.
What are you doing?
Let me do the one. Let me do the 6.
So what do we think? Looks like a good bite.
Finally, some good fucking food.
What was the favorite?
The wings, them Johns, right? I don't know, them Johns alright, right?
It's saucy.
But this junk right here, nigga. This junk right here, I don't even know what that shit called.
Bang bang shrimp. Boom boom.
I'm sure it's right here. But this junk right here, fucking fries up.
Okay. Lucky.
Yeah, fucking these up too.
Try it.